কিসের জামাত?
আমরা ইংরেজি কথোপকথনের জামাত। আমরা আপনাদেরকে ইংরেজি কথোপকথন করিয়া দেখাইতে পারিব ইনশাআল্লাহ।
আরম্ভ করো।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Wa alaikum assalam warahmatullah. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. And you? Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Where are you from? I come from Kumbhaneganj. And you? I am come from Jaflong. What class do you read in? I read in class 3. And you? I also in class 3. What is your father's name? My father's name is Abdul Latif. And you? My father's name is Muharram Ali. How old are you? I am 10 years old. And you? I am 11 years old. I think you are a good student. You are also good. Let's attend the class hour. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.